In this video, I'm going to go over Freepik and how you can use this free stock footage site as well as other premium images. If you want to upgrade, I'll leave a link to this page whereby you can get the best quality photos and designs mockups for your presentations. Now, you'll need to sign up for an account if you don't have one already. And to do this, all you have to do is simply hit on sign up or log in if you have an account. Now, you'll be limited to what you can do. For this example, I'm going to show you how to edit an image using Freepik inside Freepik, so you don't have to download it to animate it using Photoshop or any other product. So for this example, I'm gonna look for mockups. So let's say we want a t-shirt mockups. Now these are the mockups they have ready for us to go. Choose any work, so I'll choose this one right here. Now, but we want to edit this image. So what we want to do is very simple. Hit on edit online. So this is a Freepik editor. All you have to do is very simple. Hit on let's go right here. It will give you a brief walkthrough. So I'm gonna skip through this. So everything here is like a basic image edit. By hitting on replace, you'll be able to search Freepik pixels, or you can upload your own logo in here. Go ahead and upload. Hit on device right here. Then we're gonna select our logo and hit on open. So this is gonna start uploading it, as you can see right here. And once it's done, we can position that logo where we want it to be. So for this example, we want it to appear right there. So I can go ahead and size it up like so. Yeah, that looks perfect. We can change, you can add masks to it, you can crop it, you can add filters, you can replace it if you want. Right here we have a bunch of options. We can change the opacity. By changing the opacity, we are able to lower down on that whiteness, or you can just use a free background remover in Canva or any other editor you have available. Now, depending on the pricing plan you have, you'll be limited to what you can do with this Freepik editor. So it's important that you can consider getting any of these plans here if you have the ability to. But if you have Adobe Illustrator or any other editor that can help you edit these vector files and SVGs, then go ahead and use that, because some of them may allow you to edit online and the format is going to be the same. Those that don't allow you will simply just say vector in EPS format, how to edit without the edit online. But if it allows you, you will simply hit on edit online right there. Now inside the editor, there's a bunch of other things we can do. We can animate it. We can go ahead and hide the background. We can make it simple. We can add details to it. We can also set a specific layer in the illustration right here to a specific position. So all we have to do is we can hide the plant. We can show it. We can show the character. We can take him out. Now, by removing the character, we are able to go ahead and add our own. So how do we do that? Let's say we wanted to use only the character, but we wanted no background. We can do that. We don't want the plant there, we just want the character. That's how easy it is. And you can download this as an SVG or PNG file to your PC. There are other illustrations in other styles you can use this method with. You can animate them. Now the animation feature allows you to add a speech bubble. You can animate the character, so the character can disappear, and the speech bubble can also be animated. You can change the colors. You can add it to fading, sliding left. That would make it sliding from the left.